Hello everyone. In today's video we're going to talk about Facebook stars. Now Facebook stars is a new feature on Facebook that allows digital creators to monetize their video and audio content. So if you are a digital creator on Facebook, you pretty much probably already familiar with this feature. And so I'm going to explain per Facebook how this feature works. And this feature is yet another money making opportunity for some extra income and or business opportunity, either or, if you are looking to build a business and make money online. So it says content creators rely on social media to connect with people who appreciate their work. Facebook has added a feature to give creators a new way to earn money and fans a new way to show appreciation. With stars, viewers of Facebook Live video can support content creators in real time. Stars enable you to earn money from your video content. Viewers can buy stars and send them to you in the comment section to show support and help their comments stand out. You get paid 1 cent for every star that you receive. Stars can help you to move offline business, performances, and services online, identify and deepen connection with fans and followers, provide a new way for your fans, followers, and clients to engage with you and support your work. The benefits of stars. Stars offers a range of benefits to live video creators and the communities that watch them. Stars can enable people to support you in an engaging way, facilitate the transition of offline paid performances, training, and services to online, foster the growth of communities around creators, brands, and organizations, enable new or casual fans to support creators without committing to fan subscriptions, help fund new content and equipment, and give you a new way to earn money without pay gating your live videos. Fans can pay whenever and how much they choose. Live video on Facebook. To earn money and receive the benefits of stars, you need to stream live video on Facebook. Live video is different from video you post to your page. It enables you to engage in real time with your viewers. Since it's live, it can have a less polished, more immediate and intimate feel than videos you produce, edit, and post to your page. Earn money from your live video. Stars enables you to monetize, in other words, earn money from your video content. Many creators are monetizing on Facebook platforms, while some may be new to it. Creator Studio is where you manage stars branded content, in-stream video ads, and everything else related to the monetization on Facebook platforms. What this looks like to your audience. You may wonder what the stars experience is like for your audience. Live video viewers can tap the star icon next to comments and reactions to buy and send stars. You earn 1 cent for every star you receive. Fans typically buy and send stars in packs. For example, if someone sends you 100 stars, you receive $1. When people send stars, everyone watching the video will see it. To show appreciation and encourage people to send stars, try to thank supporters and engage with people who send stars. We'll cover this and more in the lesson. So, this little tutorial here is what this article is. It helps you to understand what stars is, how it works, how it works with your audience, and it tells you how to set up stars. Now, from what I have been reading and seeing, is to qualify for stars, you have to have at least 1,000 subscribers at 60 consecutive days. So for 60 consecutive days, you must keep 1,000 subscribers. So let's say you just hit 1,000 subscribers on your Facebook page today. So you have to keep that number at 1,000 for 60 consecutive days. So that is basically what stars is about. And I am going to place a link to this article with this lesson about how to get started with stars. And I probably will do a tutorial later on as well, how to get started. And yes, so let's talk about this in the comments. Do you already have stars enabled? You know, you met the requirement, you have 1,000 followers for 60 consecutive days. Let me know if you are, and let me know if you are working on getting to that 1,000 subscribers. And so if you have already started making money from, you know, your videos, let me know, you know, how you like it, how it's working. And, you know, just let us know how things are going. Now, me personally, I just got started with the stars, so I haven't been making any money yet, but I just now I've been monetized and, you know, setting everything up to start earning money. And I am going to start posting more live streams on my Facebook page. So yeah, let's talk about stars in the comments, what you think about it. If you already made a profit off your stars, how you like it so far, not just the monetizing part, how do you like the other part, like how is it working, what's your experience with it as far as, you know, engaging your audience, and do you like it better than just regular, you know, just posting videos and somebody just liking and comment? Just tell me about your experience with it. Okay, so thank you for listening to this video. And if you like this video, like, share. If you love the content on this channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell for alerts. Talk to you soon.